Hello, good morning. Today we are going to start with the reading part of lesson number 5, unit 7, The Monkey and the Law. So let's start reading from your textbook. Once upon a time, certain workmen were busy building a temple. When it was noon, Ram Rao, let's go to the town for lunch. Okay, Shamrao, I'll just put a wedge here and come. Let's hope no one touches that wedge while we are away. Now look here. Can you tell me which type of noun is this? Whether it is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Workman is noun or a naming word. So what is it? Name of a person, place, animal or thing? Yes, it is the name of person. Next, temple. What is it? Yes, it is a name of a place. Very good. Town. What is town? Yes, name of a place. Wedge. What is a wedge? Yes, it is a name of a thing. Ram Rao and Sham Rao. Both of these are the names of special names of the persons. Okay. Now let's look at the opposite words. Tell me. Busy means very busy. बहुत what to say in Hindi? बहुत busy या I don't remember also the word in Hindi. Okay, busy. I am sure your parents are busy. Okay, mama is busy cooking the food. Hmm? And Papa is busy with his office work. That way, busy is continuously working. Okay, so busy means continuously working. So, what is the opposite of busy? Opposite means ekdam ulta. What is the opposite of busy? Somebody who is working continuously. So, somebody who is not working at all is the opposite. Okay, so what is the word for that in English? The word for somebody who is not working at all is idle. So the opposite of busy is idle. I-D-L-E, idle. Look at the spelling. I-D-L-E, idle. Okay. Tell me what is the opposite of go? Yes, you're right. Go, come. Go, come. Here, yes, there. Here, there. The opposite of here is there. Okay, very good. Let's read further on. Suddenly, a monkey arrived. What is this piece of wood doing here? I wonder what will happen if I pull it out. Ah, it's stuck. Out it came. Help! The gap closed. Sorry, the gap closed in, trapping the monkey's tail. Okay, see why I went back and read again? Because the sound was not proper or the pronunciation was not proper. If I say the gap closed in, so it doesn't make any sense. Wait, excuse me. So the gap closed in trapping. Closed in means band ho gaya. So I should say closed in together. The gap closed in, trapping the monkey's tail. The poor monkey cried in pain. So we should not meddle with things that are not concerned to us. Okay. So tell me, Monkey is the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. Yes, name of an animal. Next, wood. Yes, it is name of a thing. And tell me the opposite of pull. Yes, opposite of pull is push. Very good. Opposite of out. Very good. In. Opposite of tough. Tough I explained. Difficult. Tough means difficult. है ना? So, what is the opposite of difficult? Easy. Very good. So, tough opposite is easy. Next, closed. Opposite of closed. Yes, opened. Opened. Very good. So, that's all. Practice your reading. Bye.